Sustainable aviation, delivery drones, new frontier of space exploration and national security threats are all on the horizon. Over the coming years, the aerospace and defense industry will be key to address each of these potential new realities around 4 core missions: moving people and goods, connecting and enhancing human capability, securing, defending national interests, space research and exploration. Today, traditional fossil fuel-based combustion still power aircraft, but the aerospace and defense industry has committed to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2050. Sustainability is a top priority for the next decades. The development of electric and hybrid electric aircraft is progressing. Green aviation technology will also extend beyond electric aircraft. Improved air traffic management, increased fuel efficiency, and development of sustainable aviation fuel will make commercial aviation more sustainable. While today's world has already become increasingly connected, the demand for faster, more accurate and safer universal connectivity will increase in the future. More precise sensors combined with AI will drive a variety of applications, including UAV, drones and data analysis. AI-powered drones will carry out missions such as surveillance, reconnaissance and repairs, working alongside human operators to reduce risk and enhance operational capabilities. The number and sophistication of risks and threats to national security will continue to increase. Cybersecurity, both offensive and defensive, will become even more important with the need to protect networks, data and mobile devices. At the same time, the pace of conventional warfare will quicken as AI reduces response time. In the years to come, development of rapid response solutions will be mandatory, using more and more AI together with new technologies such as hypersonic missiles. Dramatic reduction in space launch costs have facilitated the expansion of research and exploration in space, in part by attracting new entrants to the industry. Development of space tourism, commercial satellite launches, and lunar exploration will accelerate in the years to come. Moreover, countries will expand their space defense capabilities by developing anti-satellite weapons and space-based missile defense systems. In Akkodis, we have more than 8,000 engineers supporting our aerospace and defense customers for more than 30 years. And I strongly believe that we have a unique positioning to support our clients in their current complex challenges. In Akkodis, we focus on delivering tailored solutions that align with customer sustainability goals, driving long-term partnerships and value creation. We leverage cutting-edge technology like AI, digital twins, and cybersecurity to enhance product performance, lifecycle management, and mission-critical operation. We optimize delivery models through nearshore and offshore capabilities, offering cost-effective, scalable, and high-quality services. In Akkodis, we invest in talent development through dedicated learning programs, equipping teams with domain expertise and emerging technology skills. We provide seamless end-to-end project management services, ensuring on-time, on-budget delivery of complex programs across the product lifecycle. As the aerospace and defense is a key sector for Akkodis, having a strong presence at the Paris Air Show is certainly a must for us. Moreover, we'll be able to showcase our capability in terms of innovation, in particular on sustainable aviation and AI transformation. So come and visit us.
Engineering a smarter future together.